This is an updated video. There are now 4 ways, no longer 3 ways, to reduce the pain that you have when you get aesthetic injectables. Hi, my name is Dr. Roy Kim. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon in San Francisco and Beverly Hills. The 4 ways are: number 1, to use very strong numbing cream. Number 2, to use ice packs. Number 3, use some type of vibration tool such as the NuVibe, which distracts your body. And number 4, get your injectables with very high quality needles. Regarding numbing cream, I use custom formulated, very high concentrated numbing cream. The numbing cream that I apply for my patients is 30%. Just to let you know, what's typically available at a drugstore, even with prescription, is only 4%. So yes, I have to go to what's known as a compounding pharmacy where they custom formulate it for my patients and for me. Since it's about 7.5 times stronger, it works faster, it has more numbing, and it doesn't get rid of all the pain, but it gets rid of a lot of the pain and discomfort with your injectables. Next up, ice packs. So as we all know, ice packs actually sort of numb up your nerves, if you will, and make things hurt less. It also has the added benefit of making your blood vessels a little tighter. This vasoconstriction, which is a fancy medical term for tighter blood vessels, will actually help with less bleeding after your injectables. Next up is NuVibe. So if your body's distracted, then you know what? You're not going to feel the pain as much. If I'm using NuVibe, and you may have seen me with this gold colored tool, it vibrates right next to where I'm giving you an injection. Your body and the nerves specifically detect vibration. It doesn't detect the pain of the injectable as much. So that really helps my patients. Finally, the latest update, sharp, high quality needles. So the needles I use are made in Japan or Korea. They're very high quality steel. So that means that they maintain their sharpness. They don't get dull. You, as a person, you're going to perceive more pain if the needle's dull. These high quality medical needles do not go dull at all with regular use with normal injectables. The other advantage of these high quality needles is that it has a smaller footprint with a larger inner diameter. What that means is the hole that's actually being created is very tiny. It's much thinner than the normal 27, 30 gauge needles that are commonly used in injectables. And since the inner diameter allows more fluid to go in, I'm able to actually make a technically smaller hole, put in the same amount of fluid in a more efficient, more timely fashion. It essentially takes shorter to give you the same amount of fluid and through a much smaller needle hole. So those 4 things help my patients fly through their injectables when they're here with me in the office. If you like this video, please watch another video here on my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, please fire away at the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.